Okay, well, what time is it? It's like 8 p.m. now.
8 p.m.
The plan originally was that I would go to, because we went to Lotte World.
We went to Lotte World.
I'll just
Lotte
Tucker,
World
by
was
the way.
great. Hi.
If you want to explain what you do.
I'm Tucker.
She has an intro. Okay, bitch.
I'm a moderator on the K-pop subreddit. So I like organize interviews with like K-pop stars, people who are related to K-pop stars, like this one right here.
Related. We just happen to know them.
I met Eddie at KCON New York this year, where I was a panelist.
Yeah.
So is that good? Is that enough?
Yeah, I mean, it's too much, but we're supposed to actually film this before we went to Lotte World. And then it would have been like, oh, cute little date, but we just went to Lotte World, and we literally rode all the rides. Almost, nearly.
Almost all the rides.
Yeah. This is, he's cute, but I'm like, but it could be, no. But it could be better. No, I kind of want to dress you up the way, if you gave me full reign of the way you dress, which there's no problem with the way you dress, except the socks that you wore that one time.
That one time?
But
Green socks?
you did it on purpose, you said.
Yeah, I did. Long socks and boots.
We have 2 hours before Coex closes.
Yeah.
And I almost didn't want to do this anymore, but you know, if it's going to be a short video, whatever.
My last night in Korea as well.
True. So, we'll see you in A-Land. Who's this? Grace Poe?
Yeah.
Oh, I have no idea. I'm like an idiot when it comes to Filipino politics. Anyway, we're at Coex's A-Land, which is I'm very much a fan of, because it's like one of the biggest ones.
I always walk into A-Lands and then I just don't buy anything.
Oh, you walk out.
I walk in and I walk out.
It is very pricey in here.
It's kind of intimidating as well.
Right, so that's why for today, I think we're gonna go for a simple. Which is what I had in mind earlier anyway.
Okay.
Because I think you would look really, because I've only ever seen you in shorts. I'm sure you wear like pants and stuff, but
yes.
I want to see what you look like in like ripped denim jeans and like just a cute shirt. Not that this is actually pretty cute itself.
Okay. Thank you.
The shorts are cute too, but I just want to see what you look like in the ripped denim.
Yes. To break down my outfit so far, these are Onitsuka Tiger shoes.
So he's got the Onitsuka Tiger shoes.
I have
and then shorts and
socks and shorts from
which
Uniqlo.
are like
bought in Japan. Yeah.
Love this.
Shirt was from someplace in Detroit. I don't know. Yeah. This bag.
Love that.
Gallery.
This is not meant to be offensive, but you're like this. You're like my mom, where you have like you buy like really fancy like European pottery and like furniture, but from different countries, and but she slaps them all together in the living room.
Yeah.
And she's like, it's a look.
It is a look.
I
make
love
choices every day.
He looked at my headband. He was like, that headband was a choice.
It was a
I was like, is that a good or?
It was a choice. There was a guy at Lotte World with really tight pink pants. Remember the performer?
Where?
At Lotte World.
Where at Lotte World?
He was one of the cast members who was taking photos with people.
Oh my god. So okay, so they have like little parade people.
Yeah.
There was like this foreign guy.
He was like,
he had like
6'4".
A juicy booty. He looked like a gay porn version of Willy Wonka.
I have a photo.
Living. Honestly, it's just because I have ripped denim jeans, but I don't look as cute in them because my legs are like fucking skinny. I have like twig legs, and you have like nice manly legs. So I want to see what.
We were like sitting at one of the roller coasters today, and we were like pulled the bar down.
And then, like, because it stopped where your legs were.
It stopped at my legs, and then
I had
like,
all the text, so it's like
he was like, shaking around, and I was like, yep.
If I fucking fall out of this, What's your pant size?
I think 32. Like
32?
Yeah.
Because the thing is, here a lot of these jeans are just
the...
XL or. Do you know that the test where you do this? If
No.
it fits around your neck, then it should fit your waist.
Wait, shocking.
Does it reach?
Yeah.
Okay, then you should
like
try them. So the jeans look really nice, except the button doesn't go.
It doesn't go through.
No. So I
like put them on and was like, wait. I tried. I'm like, is it just gone? What's going on here?
Surprise. 2 people were like, hi, excuse me, where's the beach? I was like, I don't work here. I was like, God, it's a concept. He says he likes darker wash like
darker
this,
wash,
so
yeah.
you can try this and come back.
Try this on, and it has a buttonhole.
Yeah, and you can actually, yeah, that's good. All right, so I picked his jeans. Now, there was a shirt that I saw that.
To embarrass him in public.
Well, he hasn't been doing a very good job at this point. I'm like used to it. But there was like right after you walked back into the thing to change into the other pair of jeans, I like randomly passed by this shirt. I was like, oh my god, that like is so you.
Oh, really?
But I feel kind of, it's like a cheating because I just found it. I feel like we have to do like, what's next? What's next?
I'm afraid.
Why? It just has a word on it. I found it in this little section of shirts because I want to keep it simple, like I said. Nothing. Don't look.
I hope the word is Stan Luna.
I hate you. But I'm also wondering, do I want to go for something that's like a little bit more, not even dressy, but just more like this? Because I wear a lot of shirts like this. But the goal is not for me to make you look like me. It's just something I think you would look cute in.
To make me look like Charlie Puth.
Yes. Charlie Puth, and that's it. This is cute. So, I changed some things around. I didn't like the shirt on you, so I changed it with another one, and then I changed the socks, and I got you some concealer from there.
I need concealer apparently.
Not really. Honestly, if I had your skin, I wouldn't do anything to it. So, you mentioned glasses.
Yeah.
I actually think glasses would look cute on you, so we're gonna look like for the big round ones.
I don't wear glasses, but so like.
You're that bitch that wears like the 3D glasses. They're on like MySpace that are like.
One time, someone told me that I'd look better if I wore glasses, and I was like,
You would look
thanks.
better with.
Yeah, I'm like, it's such a shame, Tucker, you don't wear glasses. I'm like,
It's
I'm
a
sorry.
shame. Well,
I'm sorry that my eyesight's perfect.
hi Tucker.
Hi.
So I bought the concealer, so I'm gonna put a little bit on his face because, I mean, honestly, if we were at my house, this could have been a full fucking fledged like deal. I could have got you drag bitch. Like I said earlier, I don't think you need that much. So that's why I only bought concealer, and I bought an eyebrow pencil to fill in your brows a little bit. You know, before I put the makeup on. Let's do a quick before shot.
Do you want me to stand up?
You're too far. This is not gonna zoom in. Here's our before.
Shirt, shorts, socks, shoes, face.
Concealer I bought was the Claire's one, the creamy and natural fit concealer.
Okay. I don't know what that means, but okay.
I just got this puff from Mamonde. I like the way you're kind of naturally red on your cheeks. This is a really light coverage concealer, but it's okay. It's what we want. We're trying to give you that Glossier girl look. You just woke up like this. What?
I'll remind them to Stan Luna later.
Oh my, I'm gonna stop standing Luna after this video. Oh my god, the real K-beauty experience.
Come to Korea for 5 days.
Turns into a Karibu. Kidding, he was already one.
I had the real K-beauty experience at KCON New York. Cause like I didn't know anything there, and then met all these K-beauty YouTubers.
We're like schooling you.
Yeah, like Faye and Eddie. Does Joan count as a K-beauty YouTuber?
Yeah.
Joan. Oh, and Sunny.
Oh yeah. All right, I don't think I need to put that much. I like the way your skin looks already, so. What 마음에 들어요? Can you even see a difference on camera?
I mean,
Maybe. Not here.
what does an eyebrow pencil do? Like, what do you use it
Fill
for?
any empty spots in your brows. So just here. Oh, kunam. I originally wanted to bring my brow kit to really groom your brows, but we're just
Making it work.
making it work today
Out in Coex.
on the staircase, this area,
The quiet area.
an hour before closing. Could be better if I had my thing, but for now, I think it's all right. Now time for me to get dressed, and
Okay.
we'll be right back. All right. I actually really like it.
Thanks.
Such a good fucking job. I'm kidding. You saw the before. Here's the before of Tucker. And now we have the after. Ooh.
I would have never like thought to put this outfit together myself, but I do like it.
He said this earlier. I'm just like, it's a t-shirt and jeans.
I know, but I dress eclectically.
I like it. It's really simple.
Should I do anything? Should I do a spin?
If you want. Oh. We actually got another top. We got like a long,
Crew neck. It's a crew neck.
yeah, crew neck,
Crew neck.
a long sleeve crew neck. Let's see how that looks. You can
Yes.
go try it on. Go. I feel like some people will probably see this how expect me to turn into some kind of like K-pop star when I'm literally just putting you in like a sweater.
I know. Apparently I wasn't clever enough to come up with this myself.
You were like holding it. I was like, do you want to try that one too? That's cute. Very, just casually, going to class.
Ankles available, but like elbows not.
Yeah. That. I mean, it's cute. I'm trying to wonder how I'm gonna make this thumbnail. Lately, I've just been doing screenshots of like random parts of the video. It's gotta look really like real.
Eddie's channel is real, everyone.
I'm super
Nothing
real and
fake
authentic.
here.
Nothing fake here, honey. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you check out audible.com. Just we forgot to show you the look with the glasses, so there. You're so far. You keep like running away.
Hello. I'm wearing glasses now.
We were trying to choose like different combinations of like glasses and hats, but he would always either end up looking like a serial killer from like the 1970s or like a truck driver. But I really like the glasses on him, so.
Didn't tell me so.
Love that. I think it's recording. Well, did you have fun?
Yes.
Self-promote yourself, I guess.
Hi, I'm Tucker. I'm trying to start a YouTube channel, so.
As we all are.
As we all are. Eddie's still trying to start his YouTube channel, 7 years on. How many years?
Me? Over 10 years now.
10 years on.
Yeah, unfortunately. And so everyone's trying to petition me to get the fuck off. But yeah, if you're on the Reddit, I'm sure there are some people that are on the Reddit, the K-pop Reddit.
Yeah. K-pop subreddit, say hi. I'm one of the mods, and I hope to organize some fun interviews soon for all of you.
So if you know any English-speaking idols,
if you know any
hit him up.
English-speaking idols, please let me know. Because I'm always
Get your
DMing them
there.
on Instagram.
You always what?
DMing them on Instagram.
Please. That's so convincing. Please come on the K-pop Reddit.
Please come on the K-pop Reddit. We want to talk to you. We're official, please. Hey, we've had some good people. We had Mamamoo. We had
wow.
A new S.
You had what?
Card.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Love that.
Anyways, here's to the next 1 million.
After this video
Eddie
loses,
just got-
goes back under.
Eddie just